Hello, hello. I hope you all rocked peacefully into 2025, and let's just get this year started with healthy cooking. I need it after the holidays. I'm making a 15 bean vegan soup in the ipot, but you can add whatever you want to, so you don't have to have it vegan. I will explain later. So I put the iPod here on my kitchen island so you can see the window, you know what I'm doing on the iPod. So we start with a chopped onion, just one. Here I have about, I would say a cup Italian parsley. Dump it in. My spices, come a little closer to let you look. My spices are, go easy on the cayenne pepper. I have a quarter teaspoon. Then I have a teaspoon a teaspoon chili pepper, a teaspoon oregano, a tablespoon Italian spices, which also includes oregano, of course. Then I have white pepper, half a teaspoon, and cumin, half a teaspoon. And I think this is it. Let me see. I have it here. That's the Italian. That's the chipotle chili pepper. I have oregano, as I told you. I got the white pepper this time. You can also take black pepper, no problem. But also this is cumin. What was that? Yeah, that's the cayenne pepper. So, except of the cayenne pepper, quarter teaspoon, be careful. Other than that, just mix it like you want it. Like I said, I put the recipe in the description, so you don't have to write right now. So we have that in, then we put 2 bay leaves in there. One, not that one. Here's the second one. 2 bay leaves. You put a cup of carrots in there. I don't even chop it. I'm too lazy to chop it. You can if you want to, but they dissolve anyway later. Okay. 2 cloves of garlic. In my case, I have 2 cubes of garlic. That's that from Trader Joe's. These 20 cubes in a frozen package. I love those. They also have that with basil if you are running out of basil. But basil I have in my garden, but garlic in the winter is cool if you have it like that. Okay, it's like fresh garlic. Okay, the first change of recipe. So if you want meat in it and you want to put a ham hock or a ham steak in it, do it. Also, you know, these 50 beans come with that ham bean flavor, which I toss. I don't use it at all because it's high on sodium. And if you want to eat meat or want that ham flavor, you rather get your ham steak in and not this artificial crap. It's not healthy. What I substitute, because I do it vegan, is a teaspoonful of liquid smoke. Yappity-doo-da. It gives a really smoky, nice flavor. You get it at Walmart, Safeway, liquid smoke. This is hickory. They have different flavors. Mesquite, hickory, all kinds of stuff. But that really makes the soup. Then you put in a can of diced tomatoes. You could do tomato sauce too if you want to. If you have a can of tomato sauce, do that too. These are 15 ounces diced tomatoes. Okay, and then I rinsed our beans very thoroughly and I look through it because to make sure not to have a rock in it. But you don't have to soak them. For the ipot recipe, you do not have to soak them. That's the genius part of it. Okay, so we put all our beans in. You know that they came, I'll show you the packet when I have it in. So it's an easy meal. This is the packet that comes with, what's that packet? Yeah, you get it everywhere. Okay, we got that one in. Salt I will not put in. I wait to the when the soup is finished, I will taste it and then I see if I need more salt. I don't want to have it too salty because I'm putting in that garlic-based vegan bouillon, better than bouillon, garlic-based. That's my favorite one. And I do a good teaspoon, maybe even 2 teaspoons. This already will make it salty. That's why I don't put salt in. Okay, what else do we need? I have 4 cups of water here. It goes in. And I think I need a little bit more, maybe 2 cups more. You can't put in more. You have to, you have to pay attention to the maximum. You have, I don't know if you see that, probably you do, if I show it. The ipot has a maximum. It shows you how much you can put in. And you should not go over that. I have 6, let me get a cooking spoon. I have 6 cups of water in now. That should be doing it. I stir it a little bit to have everything mixed together. All right, now I get my lid. Put that little thing on top. Always check your lid if the rubber is in the rubber band and everything looks okay. This is the vent. They should be loosely, not be stuck somehow. And now okay, the other way around. Okay, so we close the lid. Those people who know me know it's a problem for me, especially when I'm the other way around. I cook from this side, not usually. Okay, we have the vent unsealed, not on open, unsealed. And you see where it says off, so we put manual, we click that, and 45 minutes, it's already in there. That's all you gotta do. So now you can walk away and your meal is cooking. So that's easy, right? I like easy. And I tell you a little bit more. So the 45 minutes is the cooking time, the pressure time. So it will build up to pressure. It's about 10 minutes. Then it will pressure cook for 45 minutes. Makes the beans really good in the ipot. And then you do not release the pressure. It's called natural release. You just let it go, And the ipot will automatically release slowly pressure. It's called natural release. Takes about 7 minutes. Yeah, 7 minutes. Then it will automatically go on warm. So if you are not ready to eat at that point when the soup is ready, you just let it go on warm. Like I do, my peeps will come around 5 to 6, they will roll in hungry. So I just let it go until we eat. Let it on warm. You do not have to do anything. It's genius. I love that. And you have your dinner ready, so you can do other stuff like playing bass or going shopping. Yeah, I come back when the soup is ready and let you have a look on it. One more thing I want to tell you is, if you look on the screen, it says on. So even if I programmed it for 45 minutes, it will not tell you 45 minutes until it hits pressure point. Once the pot hits pressure point, the 45 minutes will start counting down. And then you see how much time you still have left. After the counting down of the pressure time, and that is over, it will beep. And then it will go into natural release. You will see that. And then it's then in warm mode. They call it warm mode, yeah. So you don't have to do anything until you are ready to eat, to open up and eat. Okay, that's just, I forgot to tell you that. Also, I forgot to tell you, if you have some celery in your fridge, you can also chop that in. I didn't have one, so I didn't, but celery is good in there too. Hello, now it's time to check our bean soup, and I think you can see it here. So when the 45 minutes pressure cooking time were over, it beeped, and then it says LO, and then it gives you the minutes I left it in, because I was out in the garden, and just let it go, you know, you don't have to do anything. It goes automatically in a warm holding kind of temperature state. So it says LO. I have it in there since 29 minutes. The pressure released in about 7 to 10 minutes. It's called natural release. You do that with here, it adds to the cooking time, so it's necessary. Other dishes you can release you put the sealed vent on vent, and you can release it immediately, but not on this recipe. You have to have the 7 minutes natural release to really get the cooking time right. Okay, so now we open, and I show you what I do. Hold on, I need something else. Okay, so we open the vent. I got some spoon. We put it on release, so there's a little bit pressure still in there, but not much. Open the lid. Careful, it's hot. And show you the soup. So there's the inner pot you can take out. This is how the soup looks inside. And it looks perfect. I show you how to test if you are not sure about beans. What you do is you put them on a spoon, you blow on it, and if they shrivel, the little skin, if it shrivels, I don't know if you see that. The skin is, where am I? Here. The skin is shriveled. And then the beans are right. If the skin is not shriveling, you have to add some cooking time. They're perfect. So let's put something in. It looks perfect. See, the carrots are still intact. That's what I like on the ipot. Maybe I can put that a little bit. Hold on, I put you down a little bit. Then you see it better. See? What a great soup it is. Tastes perfect. I don't need any salt. So as I said, be careful with putting salt in the beginning, because I don't need any salt in here. Now I show you what I do, because we are mixed eaters. We have vegan. I'm vegan. So I put my part of soup out in a bowl for dinner. That's about enough for me. And then I put, see, I cut, on New Year's Eve we had a buffet, and what we always do, and I had honey ham, and I had too much honey ham. So this Virginia honey ham, they didn't eat much ham, so I don't know what to do with it. I don't eat it. And for Clay, he's not a sandwich guy. Addie's not at home anymore. She just sits at her boyfriend's home most of the time. And so I didn't want to throw it away, of course. Of course, Taco would like to eat it. My dog, he's standing right here waiting for some ham to drop. No, I'm sorry. Your mom said, no, you can't eat any people food. Okay, so I cut the ham in little stripes. See that? And I put them in the soup. So the ham will heat up in the soup. I put the lid on. Lid back on. And even put it on seal again, that it stays warm. See, it didn't LO34, it didn't stop or something. I would have to stop it here. It keeps it warm until you eat dinner. As I said, they will roll in it from between 5 and 6. So I just leave it in there on warm, and that's it. My one I let cool down. I eat a little bit now, but I let it cool down and then I heat it up in the microwave. So I have both dinners ready. Those who eat meat and the vegans. In that case, it's just me. That's whole plant-based vegan. There is no oil on it. So this is Daniel fast approved. Just the right thing to eat if you ate a little bit too much on the holidays like I did. So I hope you liked today's cooking show. That's actually everything I need to tell you about that. Yeah, have fun in 2025. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking, and until we meet again at another cooking rodeo with Tater Cowgirl. As they say in California, peace out.